Hello,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Teacher Anne. I'm going to have some questions for you. Are you ready?
Ready?
What's your name?
My name is Henry.
Henry, how do you spell your name?
H
E N N
N O
R Y. Again, H
H
E N
N Y
R
R
Y. Henry. Okay, how old are you, Henry?
M
I'm
I 7 years old.
7 years old. How are you today?
I'm good.
Let's talk about the birthday party, Henry. Okay. What are they?
They are presents.
They are presents. They are presents. What are they?
They are teddy bears.
Teddy bears. What are they?
They are balloons.
Balloons. What are they?
They are guitars.
Guitars. What are they?
They are lollipops.
What are they?
They are hats.
Hats. What are they?
They are yo-yos.
Yo-yos. What are they?
They are cakes.
What are they?
They are nuts.
What present do you like?
And like guitar.
Guitars. Let's talk about the picture, Henry. Please look at the picture. Okay, let's start. Please point to the teddy bear. Please point to the boy. Please point to the chair. Now point to the blue balloon. Yes. Please point to the red present. What is it?
This
It's a
is a teddy bear.
teddy bear. What color is it?
It's a brown.
It's brown.
It's brown.
Yes. What are they?
They are lollipop.
How many lollipops are there?
7 lollipops.
Yes, there are
There are 7 lollipops.
7 lollipops. What is it?
They are cake.
It's a
cake.
It's a cake. What color is it? It's
Pink.
It's pink.
It's pink.
Yes. Please count the candles and say how old Emily is.
Eight.
Emily is 8 years old.
8 years old.
Yeah. What is it?
It's a guitar.
Guitar. How many guitars are there in the picture?
2 guitars.
Yes, that's right. Now, Henry, please look at the small pictures. Please find the hat and put the hat on the boy's head. Yes, that's great. Please find the doll and put the doll under the chair. Under the chair. Yes, that's correct. Henry, please find the dog and put the dog next to the cake. Great job. Now find the yo-yo and put the yo-yo on the yellow present. Very good. Okay. Now let's say happy birthday to Emily. Happy birthday
to Emily.
All right. That's the end of the test, Henry. Great job. Goodbye.